What are moral rights under copyright law? Imagine creating a piece of art or writing a story and feeling proud of how it represents your personal vision. Now, think about how important it is to keep control over how your work is shared and changed. That's where moral rights come into play. They are a special set of rights that protect your personal connection to your work, separate from the money-making rights. Moral rights are granted to authors or creators of certain copyrighted works. They focus on protecting your reputation and how your work is presented, not on earning money from it. These rights include two main parts. The first is the right of attribution. This means you have the right to be recognized as the creator of your work. No matter who owns the copyright or who uses it, you should always get credit. For example, if someone shares your photograph online, they should mention your name as the photographer. The second part is the right of integrity. This gives you the power to stop anyone from changing or distorting your work in ways that could harm your reputation or the original idea. If someone edits your artwork or rewrites your story in a way that you feel misrepresents your vision, you can object. This right helps ensure your work remains true to your original intent. It's important to know that moral rights are different from economic rights. Economic rights let others reproduce, sell, or distribute your work, and those rights can often be transferred or licensed. But moral rights are personal to you and usually stay with you. In some countries, you can waive these rights if you agree in writing, but in many places, they are protected by law and cannot be taken away. In the United States, moral rights are mainly protected for visual art under the Visual Artists' Rights Act. This law gives artists the right to be credited and to prevent changes that could harm their work. However, it does not cover literary or musical works. Many other countries, like those in Europe, have stronger protections that cannot be waived and last for a long time. Understanding moral rights helps us respect creators beyond just the money they earn. It reminds us to give proper credit and avoid making unauthorized changes to their work. When sharing or using content online, being aware of these rights encourages responsible digital habits. Respecting moral rights means honoring the personal effort and vision behind every creative piece.